Remember my super rusty underbelly on my Tundra? Well, take a look at it now. So this here is what it looks like with what these guys call the industrial coating. It's hydrophobic and it protects the metal that's underneath it. This truck was pretty rusty, so you'll see some of the texture that's underneath there. So what they do first is they actually do this process that's called needling, where they go through and kind of break off all of the rust that is on the vehicle. That includes the diff, the leaf pack, the underside of the bed, which was a ton of rust down underneath there, and pretty much anything else that is metal. So they did all this here, all underneath, any nook and cranny as well. They went through and kind of broke everything up. So here is the current status of where the Tundra is. So they just did all of the needling to try to knock off as much of the rust as possible. So you can see all the shiny marks there. That's where all the places that they did all the needling on. And then a lot of the rust up here was just falling off. So in a couple of the clips that I posted in this video, you can see all the rust is falling off. And you can see it all on the floor down here. That's all rust. So this vehicle is probably one of the worst condition that these guys have seen. Anything worse than that would probably have holes in the frame, and luckily we don't have any of that. So we are kind of on the edge here with basically being able to coat and do what they're doing right now to the vehicle. And over here they have a Lexus LX470 that they're almost done with, and so I can show you guys the look of it here. It looks like a brand new vehicle. So down here they did their industrial coating. You can see here, this looks crazy. It looks better than new actually. Then up here on the top, kind of like my Tundra where it was rusty, this is their hard wax, which has this chemical in it which actually fights and stops rust. So that's going to be perfect for anywhere with high rust issues, like the top of my bed and kind of the cross member for the spare tire and all that. And then they went through and sprayed it with a chemical treatment that kind of stops the rust, removes some more rust from it, and then what they do is they go through and coat it. So they have been doing this for about 6 years now, and they've got it down to the T. So with mine, where it was super rusty, my truck was probably the rustiest they have seen before there are holes in the frame and stuff like that. So this vehicle here was probably one of the toughest that they've done. And they spent days just needling and knocking off all of the rust and treating the rust and making sure that it's all removed before the coating went on, because you don't want to lay the coating on obviously on top of rust, just because it will still continue to rust underneath the coating. So a lot of prep work went into this. This truck has been here, I think, a week or a week and a half, but seeing the result now, they did a phenomenal job. And normally you would want to do this with a newer vehicle, or you can do this with a newer vehicle as well. So two options. One, obviously, if you care about your older vehicle and you want to use it for a long time, you can get this done. It is a little bit more costly to do a rusted vehicle, but if you care about your vehicle and you want this done, you want it protected, definitely get this service done. But if I were to get a brand new vehicle, the very first things I would get done is obviously like tint, for example, and then underbelly coating, where you can just go through and get everything coated. So if you are in a climate or an area that gets a ton of snow, and or if you are by the ocean, so if you're in the East Coast, for example, definitely want to get this done. So I would highly recommend getting it done if you're getting a new vehicle and you're in the East Coast. And then obviously they make sure that your body is fully protected, so they mask everything off. So anything that shouldn't be coated, they make sure they mask that off, so that way it's always protected and there's no overspray on that. But if you guys want this done on your older vehicle, or especially your newer vehicle, make sure you guys hit these guys up. If you guys are in Denver, Colorado, they are in Denver. They're about 5 minutes from R4T, so super close to us. And I'm surprised it took me this long to find them, because they are like literally down the street, but I'm glad I did. But if you do want to get this service done, mention Tuan or R4T, and they will give you $100 off on your service, and they will make sure to take care of you just like they did with us. But I will put their website down in the description along with where they're located. That way you guys can look them up if you guys want to get this service done. But that's going to be it for this video. We'll see you guys in another video.